Hey everyone, and welcome back to Money Boost. Google Maps is very helpful when it comes to finding businesses and looking for directions. You can use it to earn up to $100 a day, and it's really simple. And with this video, you'll find out just how it's done. Today we're going to be talking about how to make $100 per day with Google Maps. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss a great way to earn a lot of money daily through Google Maps. Number 1. Download Google Chrome. First of all, you will want to download Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a browser that is highly reliable. Many people use it and it is very secure. You may already be using Google Chrome, but if you are still using Internet Explorer, Safari, or anything else, it's recommended that you switch over to Google Chrome. This is so it's easier to use Google services. You can also download extensions with Google Chrome, and most of them are free to install. Download it for free now to begin this money-making technique. Number 2. Go to Google Maps. One great tool out there is Google Maps. It is used by millions of people around the world. This application allows you to view different locations around the world. You can use it for many different things, including searching for local businesses or getting directions. This is an online-based app by Google, so it runs best on Google Chrome. We will be using Google Maps today to be making money, and the technique is super simple. When you open up Google Chrome, just go to Google. Then you will search Google Maps and click on the first result. Once in Google Maps, search for your current location. This can be done anywhere in the world. Search for your location and zoom in. Now we'll be looking for local businesses in this area. The reason for searching your current location is because that is how you will earn the most amount of profit. Number 3. Find a service-based business. It is super easy to find things on Google Maps. On the top left of the page is the search bar. In that search bar, you're going to want to search for a service-based business. This can include dentists, plumbers, doctors, and any business that will have services for people. Say for example, you search for a dentist. Type in dentist and then the city you live in. Google Maps will open up a bunch of red dots around the map. These will be your search results. So if you search for dentists, then these will all be the results for your local dental clinics. The reason why you are searching locally is because by doing so, you will get better chances of finding businesses that will want to work with you. You will also earn more this way. So, click on one of these businesses and there will be an information tab that shows up. You are looking for the ones that say claim this business. Make a list of all the local businesses that have that. These will be your opportunities. Number 4. Google the service-based business. A great tool is Google, so that is why we're going to be using it for this technique. What you want to do is go to the local business that nobody has claimed on Google and Google search their service. If you found a local dental clinic, Google search dentists and then your city name. A list of local dentists will appear. Look through the list and do you see your picks on it? If the local business is not claimed, then most likely it will not be at the top of the list. Find out how low they are and use that to determine which businesses you will want to help. With this process, you will be helping these businesses to bring their name up higher on the list. This is so they are seen by more people and will have more traffic to their websites that they may have. By doing so, you are helping the business, but you are also making a cool profit through it. Number 5. Reach out to the local business. Now is the time to actually reach out to the local business. This is a necessary step to take before you can start any work. Reaching out to these businesses is what will get you the job. When reaching out, you're going to want to sound professional yet friendly, so they will be more willing to hire you. There are a couple of ways to reach out to the business. One main way to do this is through the phone. You should be able to find their phone number easily. If you look at their information on Google Maps, there should be a phone number listed. If there isn't, then you can check their website or their Facebook page if they have one. Not everyone is fond of calling on the phone, so here are a couple more options. You can visit their website and scroll to the very bottom of their page. You should be able to find a Contact Us button. Click on that and you'll be led to a page where you can input your email and your message. This isn't as reliable as a phone call, but it should do. Next option is directly emailing them. Go to their Google Maps information and find their email address. If you can't find it there, check out their website or their Facebook page if they have one. Then send them an email. This is how the email should be. You should go to Google and search their service. So, if they're a dentist, search for dentists in your city, then take a screenshot of their place on the list. You can take a screenshot with either print screen or a snipping tool. Edit the photo to show that they are low on the list. Maybe even add a red circle around their business name on the list. You could even add an arrow, and that will really help highlight that they really could use your help. Now you will want your email to really sell. Tell them who you are and that you will help businesses raise their rankings by optimizing their Google My Business listings on Google. Let them know that you noticed that their business is not yet claimed and that you can help them out. Basically tell them the same thing that you would say if you were to call them on the phone. Reaching out in any of these ways will help you to get this job. Reach out to multiple companies this way to increase your potential to earn more by working for more businesses. Number 6. Run their ads. Businesses need ads. This can be the reason a company has traffic to a website or even their physical shop. That is why when helping a business, you will want to run their ads. You can do this simply, and one big way to do this is to run ads via social media. You can market their service by posting scheduled posts and paying small fees to advertise certain posts. This will really help them get more customers. Number 7. Update their website. First impressions are important, and a website can be just that. If you have a website that is hard to navigate or just plain buggy, many people will often just turn away from the business altogether. You will need more than just a Facebook page if you want to properly run a business. And you can help with this by making updates to these companies' websites. This will drive more customers to their business and get you more profit for doing a reliable job. Number 8. Optimize their Google My Business listing. When you search for a shop, a Google My Business listing appears. This is a major impression for people. If your business is not on the top of the list, many people will choose to not go to it, but that's where you can help. You can help to get better ratings and fill out their information to get them to the top of the page. They will be grateful if you do this, so you can get a better profit from this. Number 9. Add citations. Adding a business listing to sites like Yelp is called adding a citation. Adding these sites there increases traffic to the business. This is what these companies want, and you can charge them to help add to their websites. You can also add business hours, location, address, phone number, and any other information to make sure people know all about them and can find them reliably. Number 10. Go to Fiverr. Fiverr is a great website for freelancers. There are many services on there for things like data entry, website auditing, birthday greeting videos, and many more. You can find just about anything you need on Fiverr, and it's usually quite affordable. It works like this. Freelancers set up gigs and put them into categories. You can then easily search these categories for a job that you need done. And if you need something specific or just can't find the right job, you, as a buyer, can also set up a special buyer request where you can put up job postings and freelancers will bid for the job. You can also tell them your budget and how quick you want it done, and they will give their best estimates of their cost and delivery time. With that said, you can use Fiverr for this new job you have been preparing for. Say you aren't really sure how to run ads or fix websites. You can just hire someone on Fiverr to do it for you. You can hire multiple freelancers or just hire one. If you choose to hire multiple, you can hire one to run ads, one to fix their website, and one to add citations, but it may just be best to hire one for all of these at first. This is why you should consider hiring a freelancer that can optimize Google My Business listings. With that, you can just pay one person and have all the work done. Either way you choose, make sure to charge your businesses accordingly. If you charge $200, but Fiverr freelancers cost $30, then you will have a profit of $170. Make sure you charge properly. You can start off charging only a little bit, and the more businesses you take on, the higher you can charge. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!